Hi, I am Dr. Karthika Krishna Kumar, consultant endodontist and medical director at Metier Multispeciality Dental and Polyclinic, situated at Vidyaranyapura, Bangalore. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a fine white powder, almost innumerable household uses. One of its most popular use is as a teeth cleaner and a whitener. But is it as safe and effective as a regular toothpaste? Yes, it does work. While baking soda can't protect your teeth from cavity as effectively as a fluoride toothpaste, it is still considered a good cleaning agent for your teeth. So let us see what are the pros and cons of using a baking soda. The advantages of using a baking soda is it reduces plaque and gingivitis. Biofilms, which are the colonies of bacteria that attach to the surface of your tooth and eventually cause problems like gingivitis and can also lead to cavities. Plaque is one of the example of a dental biofilm. When you brush using the grains of baking soda, that disrupt the biofilm, reducing the bacteria count and helping to prevent damage of your teeth. It may reduce bacteria. Some harmful bacteria need more of acidic condition to thrive inside our mouth. Studies have shown that when you rinse your mouth using baking soda and water, the pH of your mouth increases, making it less acidic. As a result, using baking soda as a toothpaste may make it harder for any cavity causing bacteria to adhere and also multiply and causing cavities in your mouth. It also whitens your teeth. Basic soda has a natural whitening property and has been shown to effectively remove stains on your teeth and whiten your smile. That is why it is the most popular or common ingredient in most of your commercial toothpaste which are available. Numerous studies have shown that baking soda is a mild abrasive and has the ability to remove stains from outside of your teeth. Baking soda is also a fluoride free option which help in prevent the decay, but not that effectively as your fluoride containing toothpaste can do. It is also inexpensive. So these were the advantages of using baking soda. The disadvantages are unappealing taste and texture. For many users, the biggest downside of brushing with straight baking soda or baking soda paste is that it does not taste very good, and also its texture is very grainy. One may also feel that they have sand in their mouth. So this is the reason why most of them feel the taste is bad and the texture is not so smooth. So if you want the benefits of baking soda but with a better, smoother texture, you can always go for the most commercial products which are available in the market, which has baking soda as one of the ingredients. If you are okay with the texture of the natural baking soda but not happier with the taste of the baking soda, you can always add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil to the baking soda paste to enhance the taste of the composition. Then it is less dramatic whitening. Baking soda is a mild abrasive. While the American Dental Association considers baking soda safe for your enamel and dentine, there are certain studies which show low rating as it does not effectively remove the stain and it might not whiten your teeth as perfect as your commercial product. If the baking soda does not work well for you as a teeth whitener, you may also consider certain products which are available containing hydrogen peroxide or microbed abrasive. So these will help little more effectively than your normal natural baking soda in whitening the teeth. Next is the fluoride content, that is the lack of fluoride. Toothpaste approved by the American Dental Association contains fluoride to prevent dental cavities. Although fluoride is a natural element abundant in water and air, present in our bones and teeth, additional fluorides in the toothpaste provide extra shield towards your tooth to prevent from the decay. Using baking soda as your only toothpaste which does not have any topical fluoride effect in it can also result in less effectiveness of your cavity protection. As a result, the baking soda might not give you the necessary protection you need. So how do you use this baking soda if you have to clean your teeth? To brush your teeth with baking soda, you will need water, baking soda powder, a gentle soft bristle brush and a short glass to mix the paste and the water. To prepare the paste, you have to use the baking soda and the water in a proper proportion, and always use the paste with the soft bristle brush with proper strokes for 2 minutes of brushing. Then what about the toothpaste that contain baking soda? If you want the best of both the worlds, that is the polishing power of baking soda and the minty flavor of toothpaste, there are plenty of commercial toothpaste available with baking soda as the common ingredient. Many studies have shown that these toothpaste are better at removing plaque than the toothpaste that do not contain baking soda. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. So you can always choose according to your convenience whether you need the natural ingredient or the toothpaste which contain baking soda.